For the first time this decade, the number of teacher vacancies in South Carolina is down from the prior year. That's according to a new report from the South Carolina Center for Educator Recruitment, Retention, and Advancement.
WCNC Charlotte's Miles Harris has more on that report and what it could mean for education moving forward.
While the numbers in the Palmetto State show that things are heading in the right direction when it comes to teacher vacancies, experts weigh in and say that there's still a ton of work to be done because every student deserves a certified teacher.
Every year, South Carolina's Center for Educator Recruitment, Retention, and Advancement releases information on teacher vacancies, and this year, numbers show a trend they haven't seen in years.
We were excited to see the 35% decrease in the number of vacancies in our schools.
Open educator positions decreased from more than 1,600 to just over 1,000.
I have to give the General Assembly some credit for what they've done. They have worked hard over the last few years to increase the teacher pay. They passed paid parental leave for young teachers or teachers who are starting a family, and that's big.
However, Kathy Maness, the executive director for the Palmetto State Teachers Association, admits the number of vacancies is still a concern, and their focus goes beyond filling the roles, but keeping them filled.
We gotta get the teachers there. We gotta recruit them, and we gotta retain them. And in order to do that, we've got to look at working conditions. We got to make sure that every teacher and student in South Carolina feels safe. We've got to support our teachers and our students, and then we got to make sure that they're compensated. And
efforts to ensure every child is getting a proper education.
It's important that every student in the South Carolina public schools that they have a certified teacher to help them learn and grow. And so that's why it's important that this continues the trend of going down some. And we want to encourage more people to choose education as a profession.
The latest report also shows that at least 300 teachers return to the profession after leaving it for at least a year. Hopefully a trend that can maintain for years to come. I'm Miles Harris, WCNC Charlotte.